If you're using Affinity Photo, then I've got some amazing news for you because I'm super excited to announce to you the #1 Affinity Photo community called the Affinity Photo Creatives. And the best thing is, it is completely free to join. Now, the Affinity Photo Creatives community is the #1 Affinity Photo community. Once you've entered, you will join and gain access to a surreal community of like-minded creatives with a passion for creative photo editing. And I will help you level up your editing by creating attention-grabbing imagery that turns heads and attract clients. Now, this is a safe and welcoming place where you can connect with Affinity Photo creatives from all around the world, ask questions and bring up topics related to Affinity Photo, take part in exclusive challenges and contests, learn new editing techniques and effects taught by me, share your in-progress or finished artwork and receive constructive feedback, join creative live sessions, Q&As and hangouts. And the best thing about this community is that it is equipped with a ranking system. So if you engage with the rest of the community, you will actually earn points to unlock courses and earn other rewards. How amazing is that? Now let me give you a quick tour of this cool community. So once you've entered, you can actually go here to community, and this is where the community lives. So here you've got all posts, and usually, you would start here, and once you click on a post, you can actually see what this is about. You can click see more, and there's just some introduction to this community. You can introduce yourself and just some explanations about how this all works. Now, as you can see, you can just post whatever you want, and I've created a few categories, and these categories can still change. But if you click more right here, you can see we've got a general discussion tab, which is just for questions or anything else. Then we've got a photo manipulation tab. So here you can share your photo manipulations or ask for feedback or anything like that. Same for photography. Then I made a tab for challenges and contests, which will be coming soon. I don't know exactly when, but this is going to be the place where I'll be hosting my next challenges and contests. Then I've got a tab for announcements and a tab for community feedback, so you can actually help me create and shape this Affinity Photo Creatives community. Now, as mentioned, we've got a leaderboard right here, and as you can see here, we've got certain levels. So you start as the Affinity newbie, and then you level up by getting likes. So if you post something in our community, you actually see the number of likes right here, and one like is 1 point, and you can see exactly how many points or how many likes you need to level up. So as you can see, currently I am level 4 and I'm an Affinity enthusiast, and I need another 83 points to level up to the next level. Now, if you're curious how many points you actually need to level up, you can click this little question mark, and this will explain more about this ranking system, let's say. Now, I've literally just launched this community about 48 hours ago, and you can see that Sarah already has got 39 points and Jeff has got 26 points, which actually means that if I hover over Sarah, you can see that Sarah is a level 3 creative beginner. Now, the great thing about this ranking system is that you can see right here, once you reach level 3, you will actually unlock Create Your Imagination. And once I click on it, you can see we go to another page, and this is the course that you actually unlock once you reach level 3. Now, this is absolutely free, so just by engaging, you will actually unlock this course in which I teach 3 secrets that I've learned that will actually improve your photo manipulation and make it a lot more fun. And then there is going to be a project at the end, which is this Annabelle fox. And this image is actually the one image that got me into photo manipulation in the first place. And this is a follow along project. So you can actually download the fox photo and you can work alongside me and just recreate this fun fox image. Now, this is the whole classroom, and as you can see, it just has one course right now, but I will obviously fill it up with extra courses in the future. Then we've got the calendar right here, and the calendar is still very empty, but this is where you will see once there are events going on. So I'll probably do live sessions and Q&As and maybe hangouts as mentioned. So you will see all of these live events in this calendar right here. And once a live event is coming up, it will actually show above the pinned post, and it will say how many days it actually is until, or how many hours until the live session starts. Then we've got the member section, and you can see information about every single member. So you can see when they were active, when they joined, and everybody can fill in their bio if they want to just give some extra information. And the great thing is that I can chat with all members, but also members can chat with each other. So if you, for instance, want to connect with, let's say, photographers from, I don't know, maybe Germany or something. I'm not sure if there's already a German photographer inside here, but let's actually type in Germany. Well, we don't have any German people, but we can see if I type in the Netherlands, you can actually find my dad that just joined the community like a day ago. And there's another Dutchie right here as well. So if you join, it is actually a good idea to fill out your bio as well as possible, because people might actually be able to find you and connect with you if you are from the same area or if you have the same passion or whatsoever. Now, once you made a post, so let's say we go to Jessica's post right here, who wants to show her book covers, which is super cool. You can actually see that there's this little notification bell at the top. So usually when you post something, this notification bell will actually be yellow. So if I click on it, you can see that it's turning yellow. And this means that I will be notified once someone likes or comments on this post. So if you don't want these notifications, then make sure to hit this notification bell. Sometimes your notifications right here can get quite flooded. So if you don't want these notifications, you know where to disable them. And also, if you're receiving emails that you don't really want, you can actually turn off your email notifications. And you do that by clicking on your profile icon, then go to settings, then notifications. And from here, you can actually change your notification settings. So now it says like when somebody follows me, I will be notified by email. Also when I earn money from referrals, which is the referral system of school actually. So not for my community, but of the school community. But if you want to change the notifications for my group specifically, so for the Affinity Photo Creatives, you're going to click on change right here. And you can change the notifications of the group right here. So this might be good for you to know if you're getting annoyed by the emails. If not, obviously, then just leave it turned on. So why did I actually switch my community to school? Now, there are a few reasons for this. Obviously, it is very easy to connect with like-minded people. So it is easy to make posts. It is easy to show your artwork. It is easy to connect with me and with others. But also at school, there are no algorithms that actually limit the reach of your posts, unlike on Facebook. So if I go to my Facebook group, you can actually see, let's say Sheepdogs or Russell, they posted an image. And my Facebook group has over 2,000 members, and you can see only 109 people actually see the posts, which is not even 10%. This post is reached by 60 people. So it is just limiting the reach of your posts. And in my school community, this just isn't the case. Another benefit is that there are no ads and it is not a social media. So there's no distractions or anything. So if you want to learn and if you want to connect with creatives, you can just go to this community and it is just focused on Affinity Photo. Here's the place where you can just relax and learn and connect with like-minded people. Now, also, it is just way easier for me to manage because everything will be in one place. And this is the place where I host my courses, where I'll do my live sessions, where I'm gonna organize and host future challenges. Obviously, the community is right here, and probably a lot more in the future. And one thing that I already mentioned that is absolutely amazing about school is the leaderboard. So the point system, the ranking system that you can actually earn points, which basically gamifies everything. So if you're interested in learning more Affinity Photo, connecting with like-minded people, then make sure to join the Affinity Photo Creatives community. Once you click the link down below, you will arrive at this page as I've shown you, and all you have to do is just click the join group button, create a very simple account, and I recommend you to actually fill out your bio so people can actually find you if you're willing to connect with people. And then I would love to see you inside of the Affinity Photo Creatives group. All right, see you inside.